going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Cooks. We are back for another video out in near downtown LA at the Citadel. Man, had to hit the Nike outlet couple minutes late. Let's go see what they got. All right, going a little different route today. All right, let's see what they got, man. 7 minutes late. Seeing a bunch of you guys find stuff on Instagram. All right, let's go. Already crowds, look, fools already got stuff in their hands, already bought stuff. 6-7 minutes into it. Look at this, look at this. This is how it works here. 20% off the hash wall this weekend. All right, let's go. Already crowded as hell. Oh my God, that's why I say you gotta get here early as hell. Man, this is crazy. This is what everybody's going crazy about right here. Air Max 95s going for $165. Most of the size is gone already. That's what everybody's picking up today. Oh, look at this. This is what everybody's going crazy for, Air Max 97. So I say, gotta get here early. Damn, barely missed it. Holy f***. Holy f***. I'm mad as hell. Damn, missed it by 5 minutes, you guys. Oh my God, I hate doing that. All right, let's look. I guess let's look at the clearance store, or the clearance section right here. Resellers out in full force today. Oh my goodness. Got resellers right there with their stacks. See, that's what I'm talking about. All right, they still do got some Jordan 1s right there. Those have been here for a while, nothing too crazy. But yeah, that's why you gotta get here right at 10 a.m., dude. 10 a.m. Man. And this ain't bad. Look at that, 11.5. Air Max 95 is going for, what, $90? $90 after the discount, not bad. All right, I'm not in the searching mood anymore. Just showing y'all what they got. Invincible Run Flyknit's going for under $90. That's a pretty good deal. Jordan Access going for $95, 20 off. Still got these, couple of these, I guess. The Air Max Griffey's going for $130. This is size 9.5. Heard from a couple of you guys who were able to scoop these up here. Delta Mid, size 13, go for retail. So I did come back and look, so Air Max 97s, Air Max 97s. I looked through some of these just to see if people slept on these. Yeah, look. So I got my size. These are $70, 20% off on top of that. So what, $55? $55 for these? Was able to find one. That's what's up. And look, there's another one right there. Like, see, there you go. See, you gotta, man, I can't believe I was smart enough to do that. I don't know, there is a size 12 right here. Also a size 10.5. So obviously I'm gonna get the 10.5. I wonder if I should get the 12 too for somebody. All right, so grabbing one of these, and then one for someone else, and then the 11.5, obviously I grabbed one of those, but I'm gonna leave it, whatever. All right, back to capturing what they got for you guys. Look, like they got some of these. These are definitely not a 10. It's in the wrong box, but we know how much these are going for. These are size 8.5, and we know how much they're going for. So yeah, to be able to get those for under 100, not bad. Actually, they're 129, so they'd be a little over 100, but still solid steel. These ISPA things with the toe thingies on them, going for 2. Got Witness here, going for, I don't know, a 95, I guess. The Tempo Next Percent, these go for 110. If I could find these in a size 10, maybe, but yeah, these are a size 8. Got a homie that just loves these. I would scan the item. You can use the Nike app, scan, see what other sizes they got, but there's none to scan. Moving down to the size 8s. Oh, those are 9s. Got some of the boots right there. $70 for those. Normally, these are normally $2, aren't they? Dang, normally $195 down to $70. Under $60 with the discount. Asuna slides go for $25. Center courts go for way too much. $135 for those. Really? We're gonna start finding these on sale? Nah, $120 still. The Go Flyies, that's still in the size 8. Kill shots go for $85. That's too much. More of these, same thing, just size 7. Checking out the size 11s and 12s. Soldier 14s right here, going for way too much. Size 11. There happens to be a size 6 right here of these. That's actually really good because these are always retail. The Zoom GT jumps. More 11s. Air Max 2090 is going for 130. No. Super Rep 3s going for 80. No, these ain't no Super Reps. And they be getting us like that, huh? Ebernon lows if you need an extra budget. Sneaker, $40. Everything is where it's not supposed to be. I do got Air Structures going for $75. Pegasus, these are size 15. They have 8s right next to them. Retail though. Size 13, $95 for these. These got some good material on them. I think this is the colorway that I got. I did buy 70 to get. Oh, it is a size 7, $80 or $89.99. I'm gonna be honest, really not much in the crazy big sizes right here. Do got Air Flight 89s going for $90. That's a size 14. But really not much. Ooh, what's this? I've never seen that colorway. Like a Valentine's colorway or something? Material's way different too. I've never seen those. Let's go for retail. Do you get that 40 off? Or do you get that 20 off though? That's actually a pretty interesting colorway. But that's it, yo. Pretty much the same stuff. All right, let's check out the house. 30 minutes into it, line goes all the way around already. Oh my God. All right, this vlog has been just everywhere. I have like no freaking continuity to it, but hey, it is what it is. That's kind of the way it happens when I'm here. Like, so might as well show it to you guys like that. Jordan Delta 2s, Jordan Access, another one of those. Oh my God, just stop already. Liftoffs. There was another Jordan Access I don't want to show you guys. So you got Flytrap 4s. There's no way there's a retail, right? Flytrap 4s, another one of those. Holy crap, flooded. Witness 5s, damn, that's hella red. The Volt colorway as well. All right, the blue ones, okay. And then look at that price. That is a solid price, not bad. KD 15s? Isn't this the latest one? Isn't this the one that just came out? Is this not the one that just came out, really? What the, tons of sizes, man. Close to $100. Wow. LeBron 18s. Been seeing a lot of the LeBron 19s now. People have been talking about how great the LeBron 20s look. I don't know. I didn't really see it like that. Flytrap 4s. Go Fly E's right here. If this was a different color, probably would grab one for a family member. Kill Shot 2s. Another one of those. Air Max 2017s. Air Max 95s. Air Max Motive. What the hell is that? 2090. Another one of those. Air Max 97s. The 11.5 gum one is still right there. Fool's not checking as much as me, I guess. Air Max 95 Essential. Would not be an outlet trip without these Monarchs. Nowadays, you gotta have multiple colorways. These are the 4Es, the extra wide ones. Pegasus. Oh, what the hell am I talking about? Free runs. And then the Pegasus. Look at how cheap that is. Holy cow. And then these are regular price right next to it. Another colorway. Vaporfly Next Percent right here. Alpha Fly Next Percent. Why wouldn't you get these instead of the Vaporflies? I don't know. Some React Milers. Going for way cheap. Holy crap, got these Vaporfly Next Percents. Man, they need to drop the price on these, man. Like, weren't these both the same colorways? Like, at that other portion? Other section of the outlet? What the hell? Terra Kigers. Pegasus Trails. Ton of Pegasus everywhere, goddamn. Got some Jordan Brake Slides. Benassis. And then Hydro 6s. Going for way too much though, man. Oh my God, the line goes around the whole freaking store pretty much. Oh my goodness. Look, all the way to the exit. Man, I really want to show you guys the apparel. Wait, hold on. Was just gonna get in line because that line's gonna take forever, but do got some Niners merch. Got the Niners merch. Dry fit shirts. Retail though. George Kittle jerseys. I do got one of these at home. Retail though, $160. The on-field. Apparently there's a couple different levels of the on-field jerseys. This is I think the one right below the Authentics, because it does have that tag. Oh, I have the 75th anniversary one. This is the newer one. That's why it's on sale. Okay. Got Jordan shirts, t-shirts going for $35, or I'm sorry, 30% off. So this t-shirt, I do have the black sweatshirt. that has that logo on it. $25, normally $35. Got just XLs and triple XLs. All right, yeah, I need to get my butt in line, dude. I really don't want to be here for another hour. All right, let's see how long it takes. Let's see how long it takes. 10:38. 6 minutes in. Holy cow, I'm still way back here, man. All right, still in line. I think it's been 20 minutes. Yeah, it's been over 20 minutes. Everyday Plus socks. These are the ones I want, but and I actually need the no-shows. But yeah, not on sale, dude. Not on sale. 28 minutes in line. Dude, that's how the resellers do it. So you got to be here early as hell. 28 minutes. 28 minutes in line. Almost my turn. Oh my goodness, man. Damn, I wanted to hit up a couple more shops around here. I don't know if I got time for that now. Damn. So finally in the front counter, do got the Marina's grade school. Got oh, that's a 6 of the, is that the Heritage ones? I don't know, the red and white ones, and then Brotherhoods. Oh, those are all grade school. Oh. All right, something weird happened at the register. I'll show you guys. But yeah, they are hiring here. They are hiring. You guys need a job. All right, these ring up as regular price, but yeah, I was like, oh hell no, dude. I took a picture of the display. The display was already gone. Oh, so I was able to get it for regular price. So that was pretty dope. So all right, let's wrap it up. All right, guys. Yeah, that was definitely an up and down trip. Down then up, because I was so mad when I got there and I saw that I missed out on those Air Max 97s. That was crazy. But yeah, I did end up with one of these. Let me turn down the light. Air Max 97, all white with the gum bottom. Super dope, super clean. I have like a love-hate relationship with all white sneakers because yeah, I try to keep them clean, but I have a hard time sometimes. Do got tumbled leather all along the bottom right there. White Nike Air sign, all white upper, and you know has I think the pipes are 3M material. I'm not really sure, but super clean, super clean. Got these bad boys for freaking cheap, super cheap. $69.97 after the discount. I think it went to $56. $56 plus tax. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Obviously I had all kinds of issues with these when I first got there. They didn't have any, or I didn't see any. There were some Air Max 97s right there. There were some red ones on the right, and a couple of these, they were mixed in with the Air Max 97s on the right. For some reason, I walked around, I was bummed out. I walked around the outlet, and then I was like, wait, maybe they have some in the next pile. So I went back. That's when I found that they had a couple of them there. They actually had 3 there. I picked up 2 of them, and yeah, these are just hella dope. Another issue, when I did go to the front, them fools freaking told me it was regular price, $180 or whatever, and I was like, nah, man, no, that's not gonna work because your display said $69.97 or something. And then I went back, the display was already gone. I did show him a picture, because I took a picture so I could post it and stuff. So yeah, so they did end up giving it to me for the sale price. So take pictures, you guys, if just in case. You just never know what's gonna happen. But yeah, I didn't post it on Instagram because they were all gone. You know, freaking they were gone before I even got there. But I happened to get lucky. And I was talking to some of the workers. The workers were just saying that, hey, they've been getting a few shipments, like they've been getting like crazy shipments, but just a few at a time. They haven't been getting like days and days worth. So yeah, things go quick. They allow, I think, 5 per person there. So yeah, super dope, man. Yeah, if you guys go hit up the Citadel, make sure you guys get there early, first thing in the morning. I usually don't go there on Sundays. This was yesterday, which was Sunday, and y'all saw the line. That line was nuts. Holy cow, man! Like when I was leaving, there was another line at the very end too, and it was nuts, man. It was nuts. So try to go there, not on the weekends, but go there you know, Friday, Thursday, whenever you guys can. Also, I did forget, LAUSD starts today when you guys see the video. So a lot of people, a lot of kids are probably, you know, shopping for school and stuff like that. So yeah, I did come up, you guys, kind of the craziest find. Probably one of the cheapest Air Max I've seen in a long time. I think the deals are coming back. We know the sneaker game just not the same as it was, and I think we're gonna start finding a lot more deals. So I'm gonna try to hit up as many Nike outlets as possible. I was only able to hit up a couple this weekend. I'm gonna go to a couple this week as well, and we'll see what happens. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, you guys. Thanks so much for making it to the end. Y'all know how much that means to me for y'all to make it to the end. Make sure you help a boy out. Press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Y'all know I do drop tons of videos. Got plenty of videos coming. See you guys next one. Peace.